Hello, my name is Catherine Clark, and I'm the creator of this ebook, What Makes Up a Plant. It's intended for third graders, and it covers the academic standard, identifying the structures of a plant and learning the functions along with it. Now, this is an interactive book, which means that it has different widgets and applications embedded in it. And this is a little reader's guide, and this should be all the students need to be able to effectively go through the book, but if they have any trouble, this is what this video is for, so that you, as their guide, can effectively help them figure out what they're having issues with. Now, because this is interactive, we have added different things like videos. So since they had just learned about roots, this is a video, a YouTube video on a time-lapse pea being grown, so it's got the different root structures coming out. So they just watch this to get a little more information, and then when they're done, they simply go back to the book and continue reading. The only thing that I think the students will have any issues on is the widgets. They might not know how to load them, and it's very simple. All they have to do is click on it, and it'll open up, and they just have to complete the widget. So for this one, it's finding the different words within the word search. So all they have to do is click on the letter and drag down, and if it's correct, it'll show up like these words. And once they're done, all they have to click is done, and it will get them right back to the book. What's really nice about this is that they can go at their own pace and reread anything that they need to, look at the pictures that they need to. One thing that they might be a little skeptical of is this website. It's very simple, but it looks a little confusing on this page. All they have to do is click Start Drawing, and it'll allow them to draw. Now, to draw, all they have to do is, if they're on like an iPad, use their finger. If they're using a computer, they just click down and start drawing. And once they're done with that, they can show you what they've done and head right on back to the book. These little formative assessments help the students know if they are learning the materials correctly. And what's really nice is since they're built in, they can go right back to the book and continue learning or relearn what they need to if they feel like they haven't done it effectively. At the very end, I have two summative assessments for them. This one has a definition or a function of the structure, and the student has to spell out, given the letters, the structure that it is defining. And then over here on this widget, they just have to draw all of the parts of a plant correctly. And for these, they can show you these, and then you'll understand if they're done or not. And then I've given them a little real-world example here where they can go into their yard and see the different plants. And I highly suggest that you encourage them to go actually explore the world around them and see how this applies to the real world, because that's what we're really aiming for here. I really hope this book is effective for your students, and I hope that they enjoy learning.